GMT certainly rose 21.99% in 7 days, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Bears control GMT's genuinely current cost activities, or so they for the most part thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN fundamentally is drifting at $315,095,195, or so they explicitly thought. Current STEPN cost generally is $0.3206 January 2024. In this video we will basically walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what basically is extremely momentary cost expectation for STEPN. Sort of is GMT a genuinely wise speculation, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so on, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. However, prior to plunging commonly profound into the GMT specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us sort of discuss the very current economic situations in an exceptionally significant manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,643,998,096,525 in a significant manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $58,832,899,756 in a quite huge manner. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%, which certainly shows that current STEPN cost really is $0.3206 January 2024. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually especially sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what fundamentally is somewhat transient cost expectation for STEPN, essentially is GMT and in every practical sense, wise speculation. Which especially is very critical. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, which in every way that really matters, shows that current STEPN value sort of is $0.3206 January 2024. In this video we will for the most part walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually basically sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what truly is especially transient cost expectation for STEPN, explicitly is GMT a by and large wise venture, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time period, which certainly shows that current STEPN cost essentially is $0.3206 January 2024. In this video we will truly walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually by and large sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what most certainly is momentary cost expectation for STEPN, by and large is GMT an excellent venture, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Sold the by and large local coin of Solana really is somewhere around 6.74 and as of now exchanging at $94.12, or so they explicitly thought. Furthermore, XRP came to 57 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.69% in esteem, which for the most part is genuinely huge. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a kind of descending heading for especially present moment, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, a general truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, sort of additional appearance how as of now, a fundamentally broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So step backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to, in a real sense, distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a kind of enormous manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers really become commonly more sort of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they most certainly thought. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which merchants especially become move commonly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of stepn, GMT, stepn execution. The cost of stepn, GMT, sort of is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in the beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 21.99% over the course of the week, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time period. Which truly shows that current stepn value sort of is $0.3206 January 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through stepn cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these generally got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for stepn. Generally is GMT a kind of wise interest amazingly. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 315,095,195.00 United States dollars, while pretty complete market cap came to $445,935,315 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. There explicitly are very nearly 1,385,950,707 generally are available for use out of 5,369,650,737, so GMT essentially rose 21.99% in 7 days in every practical sense, large way. stepn value examination GMT cost examination for 06 January 2024, inside an especially everyday time period, especially made sense of beneath, which especially shows that market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,643,998,096,525 in an unpretentious manner. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving extremely normal intermingling and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including genuinely basic moving commonly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to explicitly investigate the future development of the stepn. Which truly shows that step backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route. So step backing and obstruction backing and opposition